Hello and welcome to the FastReport Academy. Today I'll demonstrate the process of manual or offline registration. If you're installing one of our products through the online installer, you might encounter the issue of not having an internet connection for whatever reason. We have a solution for that, which is manual registration. The process is the same for both .NET and VCL installers. I'll be showing it on the VCL one. Here's what it looks like. You need to open the installer like usual, and then try signing in. However, you won't be able to log in, and so click the checkbox Use Manual Registration. You'll be given a code in the left text box, and you'll need to send it to our specified support email. Do not close the installer until you receive the code, and when you get it, paste it in the right text box. Now you need to put the .dat files that were also sent back to you into the same folder as the installer. The installer will warn you about the .dat files once again. I've done that, so I'm clicking yes. And from here, the installation will be identical to the usual one. Accept the license, click next, choose whether you'd like to join the customer experience and notification program, and then select the installation options, like the destination folder. After that, you'll be able to start the installation. And, for your information, the installation does not require you to log in. If you have any questions or if you encounter any difficulties, contact us through the email specified in the installer. Thank you for watching, and we wish you fast reports.